Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Land Cruiser headlights. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe night driving, preventing glare for others, and ensuring clear visibility for you. Before we begin, gather your tools and prepare your vehicle. Make sure your Land Cruiser is parked on a flat surface, exactly 25 feet from a wall, with correct tire pressure. This setup provides the best starting point for precise adjustments. Now, let's tackle the vertical aim. First, mark the wall with tape at the exact center of each headlight. Then, find the vertical adjustment screw, typically located on the top of the headlight assembly. Turning this screw clockwise will raise the beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Aim for the top of the low beam to be about 2 inches below your marked center line. Adjust each headlight independently for best results. Next, we'll adjust the horizontal aim. Mark the wall with a vertical line directly in front of the center of each headlight. Locate the horizontal adjustment screw, which is typically found on the side of the headlight assembly. Turning this screw will move the beam left or right. You want the brightest part of the beam to be centered on your vertical marks. Take your time to ensure both headlights are pointing straight ahead, not crossing or diverging. Finally, double-check your adjustments to ensure both headlights are symmetrical and correctly aimed. Take your Land Cruiser for a test drive on a dark road to confirm your visibility and that you're not blinding oncoming drivers. Remember, proper alignment significantly enhances safety. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.